Hello guys, this is KS and I'm gonna talk about a topic named as CRR, Cash Reserve Ratio. So let's get started. What is CRR? Full form is Cash Reserve Ratio. Now what is this Cash Reserve Ratio? First I'm gonna write it some definition of part so that I can make you understand. It is a total portion. It is a portion of total liability. Total liability. Now what is liability? Don't worry, I'm going to discuss it here as well. Fine. Total liability of the bank that they have to keep with RBI in cash. With RBI in cash. Total liability of the bank that they keep with RBI in cash. Now here's the term liability. What does it mean, liability? First let me discuss this term liability. Fine. So there are two terms. First one is liability and asset. The second thing is here asset. Now what are these two terms? What do they mean? First of all, let's see what is asset. Asset is that thing that will generate income. This is asset. Suppose you are the owner of a particular factory or a company. Fine. So this particular factory or company generating revenue for you, so this is asset for you. Let me repeat it again. Asset is that thing that generates revenue, income. Fine. You are a owner of a company and there are some workers are here working, so they are generating it's generating income. So this is your asset. Now liability, what does it mean, liability? Now there are some workers that are working in your factory, so this is your liability to pay their payments or their salaries. So this is your liability. So liability means obligations that you will have to pay. Fine, is kind of a obligation. So I hope you understand what's the difference between liability and asset. Asset is that thing that generates revenue for you or income, and remember this example. And liability, a kind of obligation that you will have to pay. Fine. And remember one more thing, these are the things apply on you. If suppose a bank came here, any kind of bank, supposedly SBI or RBI, then these two things will interchange. How? This is asset for you. Now this will become liability of bank and liability become asset for bank. Fine. So where were we? We were discussing CRR. In the meanwhile we have discussed what is liability and what is asset. So CRR, what is CR? I said a portion of a total. It is a portion of total liability. So you got to know what is liability. Fine. That they will have to keep with RBI in form of cash. Now let me make you understand with an example. Suppose a particular bank have 100 rupees. Fine. And the particular bank have to maintain their CRR with RBI in the form of cash. It can only maintain in cash. There has been a question on UPSC preliminary that I will discuss later. Fine. Suppose this is 100 rupees a particular bank has. Now CRR, let's say 3%. The present rate of CRR is 3%. Now what will happen? This particular bank have to deposit 3 rupees with RBI. This particular bank had 100 rupees of their total liabilities, and the present rate is suppose 3% of CRR. Then this particular bank have to deposit 3 rupees with RBI in form of cash, and on that rupees, in this particular rupees 3, RBI is not going to pay any interest. Remember this thing, it is a fact that RBI is not going to pay any interest on CRR. Fine. Maybe there was a in 1990s, I think, some years back, the RBI paid interest on CRR. This is because that was just extraordinary conditions, because that was just time of a slowdown, so that's why RBI paid at that time. But RBI do not pay interest on CRR. Remember this thing. Fine. And why RBI keep this much money with it? Because it for maintaining, we can say, CRR is to garner deposit. Means if they maintain CRR, they will have some money. Basically we can say that it will help you in the case of bank run. Suppose bank run means bank doesn't have any money, so that time this CRR and SLR, that will help. So RBI help at that time. So fine. And it is also for depositors confidence, so that they can deposit their money. So present rate CRR is 3. It also varies time to time, and it is calculated on a fortnightly. Fine. So, and also one more thing, there is a fact. Have you heard about liquidity? Let me discuss it here. Liquidity. Now what is liquidity? Liquidity basically means money supply in the market. Liquidity means money supply in market. This is liquidity. Now tell me the relation. What is the relation between liquidity and CRR? Relation between liquidity and CRR. It is just simple. This is CRR and this is liquidity. It is inversely proportional. Fine. So this is the relation between liquidity and CRR. So what we have discussed so far, we have discovered CRR. Fine. And asset and liability, all those things. Present rate is 3%. Is also varies in time to time, and RBI doesn't pay any interest rate on CRR. That's fine. RBI doesn't pay any interest. This sort of thing we also discussed. So that was just CRR. We had discussed CRR. Fine. So hope so guys, I have made it clear to you. Thank you.